Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's class, I will giving you solution of your class 6 book of New Logman Vistas Geography chapter 7, that is India location and physical features. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. Solve all exercise now. Okay, so first exercise of this chapter is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first question, Sri Lanka is separated from India by the correct option is C, Park Strait. Second, the youngest fold mountain of India are the correct option is Himalayas. Third, Tista is a tributary of Tista is a tributary of, correct option is B, Brahmaputra. Fourth, which of the following is not a peninsular river? So correct is A, Jhelum. Okay. Next, exercise B, state whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First statement, Bangladesh lies to the north of India. This statement is false. Second, Goa is the smallest state in India. This statement is true. Third, the average height of the Himadri is 4000 meter. This statement is also false. Fourth, the greater part of the Indus plain lies in Pakistan. This statement is true. Fifth, the western Ghats are lower than the eastern Ghat. This statement is false. Okay. Next, exercise C, fill in the blanks. So first, Dash is the largest state in India. So answer is Rajasthan. Spelling is Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Second, the Siachen glacier lies in the answer is Karakoram range. And spelling is Karakoram, Karakoram range. Third, the Thar desert is an area of dash drainage. So answer is inland. Spelling is INLAND, inland. Fourth, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are of dash origin. So answer is collision of Indo-Burman minor plate. Spelling is collision COLLISION of Indo dash BURMAN Burman minor minor PLATE plate. Okay, so answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are of collision of Indo-Burman minor plate origin. Okay, here your objective section of this chapter is completed. Next we will proceed. Section D, answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. So first question, name the water bodies that are located on the three sides of the Indian peninsula. So answer of this question is page number 160, second paragraph. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. The name of water bodies that are located on the three sides of the Indian peninsula are dash, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, here your answer is completed. Next, section D, question 2. Why are the Shivaliks earthquake prone? So answer is in your page number 163. Answer, it is made up of loose soft rocks and hence earthquake and landslides are common here. Okay. Next question. Third, which are the major hill ranges that make up the Purvanchal mountains? So आंसर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. The major hill ranges that make up the Purvanchal mountains are dash. पेज नंबर 163. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. पटकाई, पटकाईबम, नागा, गारो, खासी, जैंतिया, मिजो and लुसाई hills. Okay, so your complete answer is the major hill ranges that make up the Purvanchal mountains are Patkai, Bam, Naga, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Mizo and Lusai hills. Next question 4. What do you mean by the term delta? So आप लोग इसका आंसर यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं. आंसर, a delta forms where rivers carrying sediments meet the sea or ocean. ओके, मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए रोक रही हूँ आप लोग ताकि आसानी से आंसर लिख सकें. ओके, आगे क्वेश्चन 5. नेम द island group that is made up of corals. So answer of this question is here. Page number 167, second paragraph. The Lakshadweep Islands lying in the Arabian Sea are a group of coral islands. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपका सेक्शन डी का कंप्लीट आंसर, क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट है. नेक्स्ट वी विल प्रोसीड सेक्शन ई. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 50 to 70 वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज इंडियाज लोकेशन सुटेबल फॉर इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड? सो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ इज इंडियाज लोकेशन? पेज नंबर 161, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ दिस पेज. यहाँ से सेक्शन ई का क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर स्टार्ट करेंगे. इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन द साउथ सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ एशिया. इट इज situated at the head of the Indian Ocean, the only ocean named after a country. This position is very strategic and help in trade with both the eastern and the western countries. Okay. Next section E question is question 2. Where is the Deccan Trap located? How has this region been formed? So answer, Deccan Trap पेज नंबर 166, सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे सेक्शन ई के सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर. द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू कवरिंग महाराष्ट्र एंड पार्ट ऑफ गुजरात एंड मध्य प्रदेश इज कॉल्ड द डेक्कन ट्रैप. दिस रीजन इज मेड अप ऑफ शीट्स ऑफ लावा which had oozed out from huge cracks on the earth's surface millions of years ago. So here your answer is completed. Next question of section E, question 3. Distinguish between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. So answer of this question is here, page number 166. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, ये पूरा आंसर हम लिख लेंगे. ओके. Western Ghat, the hills are continuous. Eastern Ghat, the hills are discontinuous, broken by deltas of the Deccan rivers. Western Ghat, they are high. Eastern Ghat, they are low. Western Ghat, swift rivers such as Narmada and Tapi flow through them. Eastern Ghat, long broad rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain the region. Okay. Next question of section E, question 4. Compare the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. So answer of this question, page number 167, फ्रंट सबसे ऊपर में है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे पूरा आंसर, ये पूरा एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स, ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स. सो इट इज़ अ नैरो स्ट्रिप bordered by the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Eastern coastal plain, it is a wide plain bordered by the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal. Western coastal plain, it merges with the Gujarat plains. Eastern coastal plain, it merges with the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Western coastal plain, there are estuaries and lagoons or backwaters, particularly in Kerala. Eastern coastal plain includes the large delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay. So यहाँ पे आपका जो सेक्शन ई का क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट वी विल प्रोसीड सेक्शन एफ. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 words. So first question, name the 3 parallel ranges of the Himalayas and mention 2 characteristics of each. So answer पेज नंबर 162. सो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 2 3 4th लाइन से. यहाँ से द हिमालयाज कॉन्सिस्ट ऑफ 3 पैरेलल रेंजेस फ्रॉम नॉर्थ to south. They are the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas. Characteristics of the Greater Himalayas are also known as the Himadri. With an average height of 6,000 meter, it has some of the highest snow-capped peaks in the world. The glacier, second characteristics, the glacier in the Himadri are the source of many rivers in northern India. The most important one are Gangotri and Yamunotri, which gives rise to Ganga and Yamuna rivers respectively. Okay. Second parallel ranges are Lesser Himalaya. So Lesser Himalayas characteristics are also known as the Himachal. Its average height is 4,500 meter. Many beautiful hill stations such as Simla, Manali, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling and Gangtok are located in these ranges. Third characteristics of the Outer Himalayas are also known as the Shivalik. The average height is less than 1,250 meters. It is made up of loose soft rocks. यहाँ तक लिखेंगे. इसके बाद there are many broad valleys in this part. They are known as dunes. देहरादून is the best example of such a valley. यहाँ तक आंसर पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2, गिव एन अकाउंट ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स, कोस्टल प्लेन्स, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. पेज नंबर 163. The north to the south of the northern mountains lies an extensive flat plain known as the Indo-Gangetic Plain. It is made up of alluvium deposited by the rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These alluvial deposits make the plains extremely fertile and suitable for agriculture. The northern plains stretch for about 2,500 km from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. From west to east, they can be divided into 3 sections: the Indus Plain, the Ganga Plain and the Brahmaputra Plain. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट Question 3. Describe the Deccan Plateau with references to its location, formation, rivers and the hills bordering it. So इसका आंसर, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पेज नंबर 165 यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. साउथ ऑफ द नर्मदा वैली लाइज द ट्राइंगल शेप्ड डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. इट इज़ बाउंडेड इन द नॉर्थ बाय द सतपुड़ा रेंज, द Mahadev Hills, Mekala Hills and Kamur Hills. In the south, it extends up to the tip of the peninsula. The hills bounding the western ends of this plateau are collectively called the Western Ghat. They consist of the Sahyadri, the Nilgiri, the Annamalai and the Karakoram Hills. Annamalai in Kerala, 2695 meter, is the highest peak in peninsular India. The hills which form the eastern ends of the Deccan Plateau are collectively called the Eastern Ghat. They merge with the Western Ghat at the Nilgiris. यहाँ तक लिखने के बाद हम यहाँ से लिखेंगे फिर रिवर्स जो यहाँ के हैं. द पेनिनसुलर प्लेट्यू is drained by a number of large rivers, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, from large deltas before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers in this region which flow into the Arabian Sea. ओके, यहाँ पे आपके सेक्शन F का लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो थर्ड था वो कंप्लीट होता है. आई होप all solution of given by me is more helpful to you for for your notes. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.